So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video look over this amazing lab. So simply click on start lab and just open the cloud console incognito window. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. If it asks for user and password, refer to the lab instruction. Now if you get this kind of pop-up, click on I agree and continue, and in the next step you have to simply activate the cloud shell. Okay, just click on continue, and after that you have to simply authorize yourself. Now in the description box of this video, I've shared one GitHub repository. We'll be using that only. So just stay tuned and wait for the Cloud Console to fully open. First of all, let me increase the text size. Now let's come to the GitHub repo. Select it like this and do join us on our social media handles too. Now hit enter. Now it's working and doing all its tasks. And once it's done, we'll be done with the lab, guys. So if you try to check the score, sometimes what happens, we get the score instantly also. Okay. So if you are able to get the score, you can simply end the lab. Or if you are not getting, you need to let the all the tasks running. Okay. So make sure to check this out. Okay. I just wanted to share the important information. Like sometimes we get the score instantly, sometimes we don't. In that case, you have to keep this running until you get the, until you get the completed section. Okay. So as I got the score, I'll be just ending it. And if you have any query, you can let me in the comment section.